Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some very exciting news, so I decided to make a short video to announce it. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed yet, but the Tyra Perez project is now eligible for channel membership. And what that means is that for $4.99 a month, you can become a member of this channel. And with membership comes a few cool perks, and they are as follow. As a member, you will have members only live streams per month, which means that I will be streaming live phone calls from you guys where you can ask me absolutely anything. Personal, event planning questions, business questions, or maybe you just want to say hi. Another perk is a members only behind the scene event setup and styling. This is either going to be a members only video or live stream where I show you step by step on how I style my video's final setup. And if you're ever in need of DIY help or event help, you can book a free one-on-one Skype consultation with me one time per year. You will also receive exclusive access to loyalty badges that you will see in comments and in live chats, and the badges will change as you hit every milestone as a member of my channel. And lastly, you guys will have access to my custom emojis, because I'm calling it emojis, that you guys are going to be able to use on my live chats. And right now I only have 4. I have a heart with a crown on top of it, and then I have my bride and my balloon, and then I have a crown for my kings and queens. And that concludes all of the perks that you can have as members. I hope you guys decide to join. I will be so lucky and blessed to have you. And to become a member, all you have to do is click on the join button right next to my subscribe button. Follow the instructions from there, which are very easy, and you can cancel anytime. I'm also told that not all devices are compatible, so I'm going to have a link down below that you can click on and you can become a member from there. And that's it, guys. Don't worry, nothing's going to change. I'm still going to have the same content. Membership is going to be for the subscriber who wants to be more up close and personal with me, or for the subscriber who wants to get more value out of me as an event planner, designer, and DIYer. All right, guys, until next time, bye. Mwah.